Hello to everybody students. Today in today's class I am going to teach you the remaining part of the lesson, that is reaching the unreached. In the live section I have discussed about this lesson half of the part children. Remaining half of the part today we are going to learn from this lesson children. So in the last class I have explained about the two characters who have ran away from their home and who has went outside from the home and they have doing some work. Okay, so we have learned about the Romesh and we have discussed about the life of the Shanti. Okay, two characters we have completed children. So reaching the unreached, in the last class I have told that reaching the unreached, that means the children are coming out from their home and they are doing some work. Okay, where they are doing some work, why they are doing this doing some work means because they are facing a lot of difficulties in their family. Okay, they are unable to survive, so to have their life free they are coming outside from the homes and they are doing the work children. Okay, so here in the last class we have completed the half of the lesson. Now see the picture children. In the picture one girl is standing near to the window. Yes, that is the girl Shanti. So she was kept in a room for a total day when her owner was went outside. That means the owner has some work. Okay, when they are going outside, what they used to do? They used to take the Shanti and they have kept that girl in that room. Okay, so let us see here. Second paragraph children. Third paragraph, as a direct result of awareness campaign, the neighbors inform the child labor enforcement team. That means what they have done, the people who are living near to the house, okay, near to the house of this girl, not this girl, the owner of this girl, they saw that she was kept in the room. So their neighbors, what they have done, they have called for child labor enforcement team. Okay, child labor enforcement team. She was rescued and is now placed in a girls transit home. That means she was taken. Okay, who has taken? This team has taken, the child labor enforcement team has taken to this girl from those members. Okay, from that owner, and they have admitted into the transit home children. Now, who knows how many such unreached are waiting to be rescued? That means we don't know children. In the total world, many children are suffering. Yes or no? But actually, we are not going and observing their problems. Just we are reading from the books and we are telling that they are feeling a lot of problems. Actually, this type of cases are seen all over the world. Okay, so he is telling how many such unreached are waiting to be rescued. Unreached means what children? Unreached means those children who are suffering with the the children who are suffering with a lot of difficulties, weekend children. Next one, child right and you. That means CRY. What is the full form of CRY children? CRY is nothing but children rights and you. Okay, the full form is children right and you. Shortly we can tell CRI. Okay, that is pronunciation is cry children. CRY is an organization that believes that children are citizens and they have their own rights. Okay, it is one organization. Okay, they have organized, some people are organized one organization. What is that? CRY. It is an organization that believes, what they are believing? They believe that the children are the citizens. Okay, they are the future citizens and they have their own rights. That means they have their own right in children. They can do the work independently. Okay, they are not going to depend on others. Okay. Next one, at CRY they do not believe in charity. Actually, in this organization they will not believe with any other charity. That means charity means giving the money. One organizer is given some money by any celebrity. Some celebrity will give the money to any politician, will offer some money for these homes. Okay, actually they are not. CRY is not depend on this charity. Okay, they are not depending on this charity, or they are not going to believe on this charity. Next one, Not do they run schools or orphanage. They are not going to run any schools also. Nowadays we are seeing, okay, some the person who has a lot of money, he just opening the organization. Not in that way, children. Okay, so they are not. Who Cry organization is not going to start any schools or orphanages. Instead, they partner some basic level organization working for children, their parents and community. In spite of opening the schools and the orphanages, what they are doing? They are just making some partners. Okay, so we are in some profession, children. We are some engineers are there, some doctors are there, some teachers are there, whatever it may be. So in spite of having their profession, they are just maintaining an organization. They wanted to make some good for the society. They wanted to make some good for the children. Okay, so they have this type of people. What they were going to do? They are just going and opening the organization for helping for the children and for the parents also who don't support the children who are not going to. Okay, the children who are not going to support their parents. Okay, that's that type of parents. Okay, old ages, you can tell old ages. Okay, so what the nowadays children are doing, actually the parents who are becoming old, they are just throwing away, they are rushing away their parents outside. Okay, children. Next one, Christ's role is that of a bridge between children development organization and people working for marginalized children. Okay, they are just constructing one bridge, children. Constructing one bridge means they are just supporting, just helping. Okay, so Christ's role is that of a bridge between what? Between the child development. Okay, between the child development of child is nothing but, children, the being a child should have to participate in all the activities, but some children are not participating in the activities because of their financial issues, health issues, whatever it may be, children. So they are helping, they are constructing one bridge between child development organization and people working for marginalized children. That means showing some correct path to the children. Okay, showing some correct path. What the elders will do? Actually, they will show the correct path to the children. Yes or no? So for that people, they are going to help children. They gather the support. What they will gather? They gather the support, money and time of the Indian around the world and thousands of field workers across India who struggle to enrich the lives of children. Okay, what is given? They are just supporting for what? They are supporting the money and time of Indian around the world and thousands of field workers across India who struggle to enrich the lives of children. They are supporting for the people who are giving the money. Suppose thousands of field workers across the India who are struggling to enrich. Enrich is nothing but to develop the lifestyle of the children. Next one. Cry has freed more than 1 lakh children. Cry, that means Child Right and You is one organization, is the children. That organization, what it is doing, it has freed. That means making free. Okay, they are letting free children. Okay, Cry has freed more than 1 lakh children from hunger. That means they have freed. That means 1 lakh children, people, suppose in our India, 1 lakh people are suffering with the food, means they have let out the children free. Okay, from the hunger. Next, exploitation. Exploitation means the tortures which were given by the owners. Okay, the tortures which were given by the owners. Okay, next one. And illiteracy illiteracy means uneducation. Okay, not educating children. Illiteracy in more than 1300 villages and slums. Okay, they are freeing what? They are freeing for the children from what? Children, they are freeing from the children from the hunger, exploitation, whatever the tortures are made by the owners, factory managers, management. So from them they have let free for the children. And illiteracy in more than 1300 villages. Children, how many villages? 1300 villages. And slums. Slums means slums area. You know slum area, the area which has the area which has no facilities, children. No facilities. That means no providing of schools. Okay, no roadways. Okay, they are just walking a long distance for the schools. They are called the slum areas. Next, the organization has successfully prevented child labor in 648 villages across the national and liberated 1152 villages from child marriages. That means the organization has successfully prevented children from what children? From child labor. They have prevented. That means they have let free for the children. For how many children? From the child labor from 648 villages across the nation and liberated 1152 villages from child marriages. You know child marriage children, before the children are going to become before the children are going to cross the teenage. Okay, the parents are just to doing the marriages for the children. That is called the child marriages. Before the teenage start, the children are going to be married. So it is called the child marriages. It has only 21,676 out of school children in its account who has now joined school. That means newly. They have refreshed for the children. Refreshed. Whatever the children have doing the work outside the children, they are just coming and gathering these children and making them educate in some schools. Okay? So in that way, 21,676 children is now newly joined in the school. Next one. These children are into their childhood with all due opportunities of life. That means whatever the children have joined in the school nowadays, no children, they are providing all the facilities, all the opportunities provided. Whatever the opportunities are provided in their life by the parents or by the teachers. These all opportunities. That means all the facilities are provided by them in their life. Okay children, this is the lesson about the reaching the unreached. Unreached means the children who are suffering in our localities, they are just running away from their home, or they are just taken away by the organization, and they are just making them to educate and making one good person. Okay, making them to become a good person. This is the small lesson about the unreached children. Now in one box lesson is given, a small passage is given. Let us see children, a small explanation about the passage. Save our soul. S-A-V-E, save our soul. That means we are just saving our soul. How? S-O-S is the full form. Is the S-O-S, sauce. Sauce is the full form. Okay. What is the full form of sauce children? Sauce. Save our life is the full form. Okay, next one. SOS Children's Villages is an independent, non-governmental social development organization that provides family-based care for children in India. See, one organization is the children. What is that? SOS organization. But in this lesson, in this passage, we are not going to call one organization. It is one village, children's village. We are going to call this organization as the children's village. SOS Children's Village is an independent. That means they are not going to depend on others. Non-governmental. It is not occupied by the government. Next, social development organization that provides. Social development organization is providing what? They are providing the family-based care. That means family-based needs. Whatever the cares are taken by a big family or a small family. Okay. Or a nuclear family, we are going to tell. So whatever the cares are taken in these families, this all care is taken by this SOS village, okay, in India. It advocates the concern, rights and needs of children. It advocates, that means it is supporting, okay, it advocating means they are supporting these children in all rights and need of children. They are providing the all needs. Next one, more than 6,000 children and young people live in 33 SOS children's villages and 27 SOS youth facilities in India. That means this is a very important topic children. See, listen carefully. What is given? More than 6,000 children are there. And young people live in 33 SOS children's villages. It is a small organized children. It is not the so big village. Organization is nothing but here village is mentioned in the passage. So like that, how many are there in India? 33 SOS children's villages are there and 27 SOS youth facilities. Youth facilities. Youth means not just children. They are the young people. So like that, 27 SOS youth facilities in India are provided. Next one. At SOS Children's Village, the organizers believe that what they are believing at SOS children's villages, the organization believe that every child should grow up in a strong family environment. Every child whoever have joined in these villages, okay, whoever have joined in SOS children's village, they should have strong family environment. Strong family environment in the sense, environment, whatever the climate will be in the big families or small families will be, suppose a father is respected by the child, a child is respected by his or her mother, okay, and a mother is respected by the neighbors, like that. So here, in a strong family environment, and so their work helps families to create a loving, okay, and so their work helps families, whatever the work is done by the SOS children villages children, and it is helpful for the families to create a loving love, okay, love and caring home. Next one, their work focuses on, okay, the SOS children's village work is focuses on strengthening, that means making the feeling strong, strengthening doesn't mean making the strong families, helping them to stay together during difficult times, okay. These families are helpful to stay in difficult times also. See here, in our difficult time, we have nowadays, I am telling one example. Nowadays, what is happening? One brother is not caring to an elder brother or younger brother. Yes or no? One sister is not helping to another sister. Yes or no? But in this should not be happened. It is not happening in the SOS children's village. What is happening? They are just focusing on strengthening the families and helping to these families and helping to these children at what time? When they are facing the difficulties, children, and provide the best care possible to their children, and they are providing the best care possible to their children. The need of a family can be varied. See, a need of a family needs a lot of variety of work, things, or whatever it may be. So here he is telling the needs of a family can be varied, it can be differentiated. So many differences are there, no children, many differences, many activities are participated in the families. Yes or no? SOS children's village experts work with the families to help them develop a wide range of skills. Okay, they are just developing the wide range of skills from household budget planning. So, example, your father will run the house. How he will run the house? He will just earn the money. He will go to the work and he will earn the money, and he will bring the household things. That means rice, dal, whatever it is, sugar. Okay, whatever the needs are required by your family members. So in that way, they are trained. They are giving the children to be trained to form the household budget planning. How to get a job. Okay, how to get a job. It is not going to get a simple job, no children. Simply we are not getting any job. If the child is working hard, means then he is getting the job. So how to get a job and earn a living. How to earn the living, how to earn the shelter, how to construct a house. Simply throwing the money means the house is constructed. No, we are working, we are earning the money, and we are making the houses, and we are providing the shelters. To bonding with a child or young person and leaving to create a stable family life at home. So a bonding with a child. You know, children, what is the bond between a father and a child? A very strong bond is there. The son, he loves a lot. A child loves a lot to his father, and a father loves a lot to his child. A mother loves her family. Yes or no? In that way. So to bonding with a child or young person and learning and making to learn how to create a stable family life at home. Okay, children. Next paragraph. Turn. Sometimes, however, it is not possible. Sometimes it may be not possible. Why? Why it is not possible? Why? Because we are living in a big family. Suppose we are living in a big family, we are not giving any guarantee that we are living for a long time with our family only. Some or the other day we are going to divide. Yes or no? So he is telling sometimes, however, it is not possible for a child to stay in the family. Okay, suppose the child is facing some difficulties, what he will do? He will feel difficult to live with the family. In these cases, the organizations work to find tailor-made solution that respond to each situation, keeping the best interest of each child or young person in mind. So they are giving the training for these children who are facing the difficulties to live with the family members. They are just training how to behave according to the situation. Okay, and they are just diverting the mind towards living together to create a strong bond in the family. Next one. SOS Children's Village is the only organization of global impact that provides direct care to children who can no longer stay with their family. Actually, SOS Children's Family is the only organization in our India children. So, they are just constructing the global impact that provides direct care to the children. They are just providing how to care for the children, how a parent should care for his family, how a child is treated to his family members. Okay, children. So, who can no longer stay with their families. Next one. Finally, through advocacy. That means through advocacy, what is decided? SOS Children's Village aim to improve the overall framework condition for children whose parents cannot take care of them. Next one. What is given in this paragraph, children? So, SOS Children's Village aim. What is the goal? Okay, what is the goal? SOS Children's Village aim is to improve the overall framework. Means whatever the conditions are there in our life, how to face the difficulties, that all are giving trained by the children, how to face with the difficulties. Next one, or who are at the risk of losing the care of their families. Some families are losing the care from their children. Why? Because their behavior is not good. Okay, just they are going on giving the beatings, yes or no, caning, beatings, anytime, yes or no, children. So at that time, what the child will feel? He don't want to live in the family. He just rush away from the home. Next one, successful advocacy based on their experience as a practitioner bring out about changes in policies and practices that weaken children's right lead to sustainable changes to improve the situation for children and family everywhere. Okay, children. This SOS means what is the full form of SOS, children? SOS. Okay, save our soul. Okay, save our soul. Okay, this is the full form of our SOS. Save our soul. How we are going to save our soul? Okay, somebody is coming and not saving our soul. How we are going to save? If we are good, everybody will obey us. If you are not good, nobody will obey us. So how to create that goodness? How to create? It depends on our behavior. If you are behaving with our family members in a good way, we are living together for a long period of time. If you are not moving, what happens? Just we are going to divide. So when you are going to divide, how many problems you are facing, that is mentioned in this lesson. Okay, actually that problem is also not followed for a long period of time, children. Actually you are leaving away your family members and you are rushing to other place and you are living the worst life. So that should not be happened. So this type of situation, what we have heard from whatever the news we have learned from the lesson of children, if you have to banish this all the news, means what we should have to do? Just we should have to live good with our family members. Okay, children, this is the small passage gave about save our soul. Okay, now here answer the following questions, I think. So everybody might have written the difficult words. If not, you can write 20 difficult words, children. Okay, write the 20 difficult words from the lesson. Then after writing the lesson difficult words, write the question answers. Complete the table based on the above article. One article is given to complete the following table based on the article. So one article is given. What is that? Serial number 1, name of the child, age, nature of work for which engaged. Suppose we are you just take the characters from our lesson only, children. The first character is Romesh is there, second character is Shanti. These two are mentioned. So age is given. Romesh age is about 14 years and Shanti's is 9 years old. Name the work. Now here, can you tell me children what the work has the Ramesh has done after coming out from his home in the Hyderabad? He has just picking the racks. Okay, rack picker. We are going to call them a rack picker. That means collecting the pieces of cloths and collecting the papers. Next one. Shanti is 9 years old and she is a maid servant. Maid servant means the girls, the children who are working in the homes, working at home. Okay, children, they are called the maid servant. Next one, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions are there. 6 questions are also very important, children. Everybody should write the 6 question and answers. Okay, next one, study skills are given, children. Study skills. So read the following passage extracted from the story. Oliver's asked for more and the notes made on it. Okay, we should have to note the notes also. One example is given from the text only. Read the following. One passage is given. Next, in the page number 29, observe the notes made from the above passage is given. That means title is orphanage is given. Orphanage. Few passages are given. Okay, some paragraphs are taken from the lesson and one title is given to that passage. What is that? What is the title, children? Orphanage. Okay, read the passage carefully. And here 1, 2, 3 notes he has made. What is that? First one is the board. Actually, what is the board? From the board. That means main notes is taken from this. Note point is taken. What is that? The board is the note point. In that board, what is happened mainly A, B, C sections he has made. So the board means they are very wise and philosophical. Okay, philosophical men. They are very wise and philosophical men. Next one, B1. Their attention to the housework. What they are doing the work, children? They are just keeping the attention on the housework. C1 was a regular place of public entertainment. A board. Why they are coming and joining the board? Why? Because it is the place for the children. Okay, places of public entertainment. Had breakfast. Who had the breakfast? The children who are coming in the orphanage. They had the breakfast, dinner, tea and supper. Second one is second Roman number, all play and no work. They are going to play only. They have no work. Second one, the decision. See, whatever I am reading now, that all I have taken from the lesson itself. The decision. What is the decision? To starve quickly outside the workhouse. To starve quickly. That means when the children who are staying without food, they can die immediately when they are being outside the workhouse. Starve quickly, die quickly. Okay, B, gradually inside the house. Gradually means slowly. I have explained the lesson. No? The children are going to be in the workhouse. They are provided less quantity of gruel. Yes or no? Next one. Issue 3 meals of tin gruel. 3 meals of tin gruel. Tin gruel means little quantity of gruel, children. Next one. An onion twice a week, not daily. Onion twice a week, 1 or 2 days. Next one. Result of the decision. What is the result of the decision? The inmates of the workhouse got smaller in number. The inmates means the orphanage children. The children of the workhouse got smaller in number. Why they are getting smaller, children? They are not getting the sufficient food to eat. Next one. Shrank in size. That means they are shrank in size. See, when we are taking a fish from the water and we are keeping a day or 2 days, okay, in the sun, okay, in the sun, in the sun, what is happening? The fish is becoming shrinking, okay, shrank in size. Next one, became thinner. Okay, these all are the examples to become thin only, children. So these are the notes taken from the passage. Okay, next one. Now read the passage. Child writes and you cry once again and make notes from it. Okay, this is one example given in the textbook, children. In the notes, we are going to write one passage, children. Okay, not passage. We are going to write the notes. Okay, from the passage given from the textbook. So this is the topic, children. I have explained in this class. Everybody should listen carefully to this YouTube link, and you should have to answer me in the next class, children. Got? So in the next class we are going to deal with another topic. Till that, have watching the video and read the lesson carefully from the textbook, children.